Hi guys! So we're here at Okada, Manila. So mag-check-in kami today, August 21. Because it's my birthday. And I'm going to celebrate my birthday here at Okada, Manila. Here's Danny! So, yun. Nasa check-in counter na si Rachel tsaka si Mama. Para ikausap sila eh. Try namin makapag-avail ng room upgrade. So nandito kami sa may Pearl Wing. So here's the VIP lounge, VIP reception. So ito yung entrance. Ayan. Tayin lang natin sila Rachel. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha ang room. Ito yung room na nabook nila Mama. So, room 906. Actually, Premium Deluxe King yung binook. Pero since may close friend dito, yan, na-upgrade into what type of room is this?
Suite.
Premium suite. So, look at the room. Ito pala, may sariling lobby yung room. Oh. Huh? Ang lupit. Grabe.
Ganda, no?
Pang mayaman. Look at this. This is the master's bedroom. Oh, merong sariling walk-in closet. Ayos. And look at this. Ang laki ng jacuzzi. Oh, ang laki ng
Tingnan mo itong vanity. Ang ganda-ganda.
may sarili ng halos kwarto na rin yung CR sa sobrang laki. So ito yung yung toilet. While this is the shower. Meron pang ang silya sa loob ng CR sa sobrang laki. And then, yan, yun yung view. Actually, smoking room yung kinuha nila kasi yung nag-i-smoke si Papa. So, yan, kaya yan. And look at the CR, may sariling balcony. Oh? So, yan. Next na puntahan natin yung room naman namin na Ang binok namin is yung Twin Deluxe.
Dati kami may open.
Pero na-upgrade din kami. So, yan, next na. Check natin yung room. Nandito kami sa 17th floor. So, yan, 1708 yung assigned room namin. Junior suite. So, let's see. So, ito yung pinaka, walkway dito sa, I think this is Coral Wing. Kasi mas bago yata to. So, yun, correction. Pearl Wing pala to. So, nandito kami sa Pearl Wing. So, this is yung mas bago kaysa dun sa Coral Wing.
Oh, it's pink!
So, ayan, nandito na kami. Sa room namin, 1708. Wow!
It's pink!
Ito na yung room namin. So, first, yan. Pagpasok mo ng door sa may left side, yan, merong CR. And then, pagpunta mo ng straight, yan, meron din kayong sariling, kumbaga, reception or lobby, or sala for guest. And then, ang pinaka-best part is, nandaharap kami sa fountain. So, we can watch fountain show later. Mamayang gabi. Yan, may TV rin. Let's see. Ayos oh. Meron pang, table oh. Kala mo magtatrabaho ka talaga eh. And then, yan. A warm welcome to Okada, Mr. Reyes. So, yan. So, under my name kasi yung booking ka, Mr. Reyes. And then, ayan, pagpasok mo dito, ayan yung king size bed. Meron ding sofa in front, and then may TV in front. And then nandito yung yan, mga coffee, mga private bar. Yan. And then dito sa tabi, meron ding sariling walk-in closet. Hindi kasi laki nung sa sa suite ng kila mama, pero malaki rin. Grabe. And then lastly, puntahan natin ang CR. Ito talaga yung habol ni Danny dito, yung CR. Ito pala. Nakakaligaw. Oo. May jacuzzi in front of the fountain. So while taking a bath later, anak, you can watch the fountain show.
At least this bathroom is bigger than our own.
Yeah. So same with them. Nandito yung shower area.
A slide!
And then sa kabila yung yan, yung toilet.
Ganda.
So that's it for our room tour. We will enjoy our room.
Ano ba to? Fountain. Fountain view.
Ganda.
Ito yung way papuntang pool. Yung batang makulit.
Kumakain ba? Sali, let's go. Let's go. Hi, I'm the most makulit na bata dito sa stay na to.
Buti alam mo. So, ito. Oh, there.
Finally. I'm catching water.
Oh, it's so big. This is for kids, I think. And that's your view.
So yan, nag-transfer kami kasi medyo maulan sa labas. May lightning daw, so kinlose yung outdoor pool. So lumipat kami dito sa Cove. So actually it comes with a charge siya na ng in excess of 2, may charge na additional 1,000 per head sana. Kaso, yan, kinausap namin yung mga attendant. And then yun, na-grant naman na free of charge na lang yung 2 kids. Since yun nga, hindi naman namin gusto talagang magkaroon ng aberya yung outdoor pool dahil sa lightning. So ayan, so nakuha namin siya free of charge. So ang ganda dito sa Cove. So indoor pool siya. Yan. It comes with food worth 750 yata each. So ko-confirm ko na lang rin muna kay Rachel kung ano ba talaga yung mga kasama doon sa ticket. So see you around. So, correction again. So yung may kasama pa lang 750 na consumable is yun sa mga nag-avail ng per head, which is 1,600 pa lang per head dito. And then yun, yung nakikita niyo yung mga kamano doon, mga room doon. Good for ilan yan, mami?
12 packs.
Good for 12 packs worth 22,000, di ba? Astig din. So kung gusto niyo mag-day tour siguro, yan, pwede niyo gawin yan. Yan, ang ganda oh. Yan. Go! So, yan, mag-swim muna kami. Nandyan na, nauna na yung 2 bata oh. May mga libreng, maganda dito kasi may libre pang mga floaters, pang kids, for their safety rin, di ba? So, that's good. Yan, so mag-swim muna sila. Since up until 8 PM lang to and it's already 6 PM na. So, meron pa silang 2 hours to swim. Alright. Lodge Cabana, chinek namin since hindi naman siya occupied.
So the 22,000 is consumable.
Ayan, So ito siya. So ito yung large cabana nila.
Anong oras siya nag-start?
CR. Tapos may mga rooms.
12 to 8 po. Then, Friday to Sunday.
So yun siya.
So, it's just this.
Sumilip kami sa gilid dito sa fountain show. So even though nakita dun sa room namin, ano siya, soundproof. So hindi mo dinig yung sounds. Unlike here na mapipil mo talaga yung dancing fountain. So yan, good morning guys. We just woke up. Nag-base lang saglit, freshen up, and then we're on our way sa Medley Buffet to have our breakfast. So see you there. Here's Medley Buffet. So since meron kaming dalawang room na nakabook, so for each room meron kaming free per 2 persons na libre. So we have to pay na lang dun sa dalawang kids, which is I think half the rate. Okay, so tapos na kami. I-assist na kami papunta sa table. So ito yung loob. Ayan, so pag right, turn mo na right. Andyan may mga, I think this is wine, which is you have to pay. So ito na yung cheese room. Wow, para na silang Sofitel. May cheese room na rin sila dito. Tapos may mga sushi. And sushi. Laki rin and then dami din choices for a breakfast. Yan, may mga ham. Ito mga veggies. And then this is mga, I think this is mga, ano ba to? Flavored veggies din. Hindi ako familiar talaga. Ayan. Pastries. Wow, ito favorite ko dyan. Mga kakanin. And then dito sa dulo. Ano ba ito mga sa dulo? Ito na yung mga rice. Yung mga usual breakfast. Tocino. Kaya mamaya ako na lang i-vlog din. Pag kumuha na ako. Hindi pa rin kasi ako pupunta dun sa mismong table So ayan, quick tour lang. Yung mga pwedeng makita dito. Ayan, punta muna ako sa table. Ayan yung mga detail doon na natin. Menu natin. Meron tayong mackerel stew, Korean stir-fried noodles, spicy chicken, plain rice, and then meron tayong seaweed soup. Ayan mga condiments. Same here. Mga kimchi. Yan.
Kakaiba dito.
Yan. Ito, wow. May duck. Duck for breakfast. Wow, meron silang duck for breakfast.
Duck for breakfast.
May cabbage, may pork. Anong pork to? Yeah. Pork with hoisin sauce. And then yan, meron din sila mga dim sum. Yun nga, katulad din sabi ko. Mga dim sum, pork spirits, siopaw, pork and shrimp siomai, chicken feet. Ang dami rin talagang selection for a breakfast. May danggit. Ang favorite ni Rachel. What's that, anak? Cookies. Okay. So yan, may longganisa, daing na bangus, ginisang papaya, pork tocino, and then rice again, and then may champorado. Wow, sarap Isa ko siya napansin namin na meron silang pang Middle East breakfast dito. Kala ko kanina pastries din pero yan, pang Middle East pala siya. Yan, utapam, masala dosay. Yan. Bira ka makakita ng ganyan sa buffet, lalong-lalo na for breakfast. Diba? Yan, may puri. Diba? And then here, yan, mga noodles, pwede ka magpagawa. Wonton soup, beef soup, chicken soup.
Different kinds of
And then, yan. Here naman, bacons. Merong sobrang toasted. And then, meron namang ganyan, medyo patty. Polenta. What's polenta? I don't know. Baked eggs. And then, toasted. I think this is hard-boiled eggs. What else? So, may oatmeal, cream of broccoli, corned beef, tomato sardines, sausage, veal sausage, so two different kind of sausage, mixed vegetable, and I think baked beans. Meron tayong roasted potato wedge, and then scrambled eggs.
Ganda na ito.
Wow. May paggawa mo na pala ako ng egg ko. So may ham, sausage, meatloaf. Oh, daming variety. So ito yung ano nila, egg station nila, where you can request for
What do you want?
kung paano lulutuin yung eggs mo. So this is the Japanese station naman. So they have Japanese steamed rice. May miso soup. So nadaanan na rin natin kanina to, diba? Pagpasok. Hindi pa pala. So, yan. What's this? Soba. Siguro you can ask them to make those for you. Oyakodon. Yakizakana. Yaki udon. Wala nang yaki udon. Siguro may iba nila. And then, what's that? Japanese steamed egg custard. Chawan mushi.
Bigat. Tempura.
Walang tempura. Siguro. Oh. And then, ito, may mga cheese din dito. And then, yan, mga meats na to be paired with cheese. So, that's it. So, I think the last station is yung ito. Yung mga, yan, may mga cereals tayo dito. And then, the juices. Diba? For the kids. So, we'll eat and enjoy our breakfast.
Halo-halo. Oh. Sa breakfast. Tapos taho. And then ice cream.